Okay, hello, my name is Adrian. Welcome to the channel English with Adrian, helping you to increase your vocabulary, expand your confidence, and speak like a native Englishman. Today, let's look at singular and plural nouns. Yeah, so what is a noun, first of all? Yeah. Well, a noun, in English, do not change gender. It's always the or a. No L, la, D, das, der, none of that. It's just the table, the cat, the mat, the bat, the hat, the shirt, the suspenders, the phone, the hair, beyond. Nouns are names of things, people, places, people, days, months, objects, items, and beyond. They change depending on the amount of them. With regards to singular or plural. Singular is just one, like single, singular, plural. Here we are, plural, 2 plus. 2 plus. 2 plus. And nouns come after article, and the adjectives describe how the noun is and looks. So an adjective describes the noun, how it looks, and how it is. And articles define if it's specific or definite or indefinite. The watch, or a watch. The silver watch, the metallic watch. The suspenders, the red suspenders. But then let's have a look here. Different kinds of nouns, like cat, apple, jacket, book. Oh, that's an important one. Book. Thought. So not just physical ones, not just physical, like a book or suspenders, but we're talking abstract thoughts, plans, ideas, hopes, love, or even wealth. You could even say wealth. Yeah. So proper nouns refer to places, people, days, and months, and they start with a capital letter. And a capital letter is the uppercase version. So A turns into A, B turns into B, S turns into C, and D turns into D. Yeah. So look, Mexico with a capital M is a country. You're explaining what this noun is. Europe, capital U, capital E, is a continent. Continent of Europe. Asia is a continent. Jack is a guy. Jessica is a woman. I teach from England. A place, a country, England. I teach from England. English with Adrian. Yeah, very good. So we capitalize the letters when we're talking about places, people, days, or months. January, for example. Or we now August, for example. August. Get used to the pen. But look, the spelling rules for plurals, and remember, plural is 2 plus. Here's a book. But then up here, there's books. 30 books, even some films. Yeah, even photos. Yeah. So when there's more than one of something, 2 plus, it's plural. The most common way is simply add s. Just add s. So, like book turns into books. Let's have a look. Book turns into, just add an s. Books. Object, objects. Car, cars. Cat, cats. Pen, pens. More than one? Pens. Yeah, that's quite straightforward actually. That's the nice thing about English as well. Most of the plurals just add an s. Majority of them add an s. It's easy as that. Doesn't get much harder. Wallet. Wallets. S. Glasses. Ah, that's interesting. It gets a bit weird now. Okay. Okay. Actually, it's the same. Glasses. Glass. Glasses. Yeah. But look, irregular plurals, nouns with S, X, Z, CH, or SC, we add ES. So it's a little different. So watch, that CH, we add ES. Watch. Look at my watch. Do you like my watch? Is there a shop that sells watches nearby? Do you sell watches here? And brush. 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 Yeah, brush. Brushes. Brushes. Or bus. Bus. Public transport. You're getting the bus into town, into the city, but you need to catch more than one bus. First bus here, second bus there. I need to catch 2 buses to get into town. 2 buses. Or quiz. Oh, quiz, these puzzles, tests, exams. Quiz. Another quiz. I've got 2 quizzes to do. Quizzes. Quizzes. And box. No boxes in here. Yeah, a box. Little box. What's inside the box? We may never know. But then sometimes they're unusual. They change in their own complete way, like man and men. Man for one, men for more than one. Again, irregular. Businessman, and it's followed through the rule man and men, for example. Businessman, businessmen. I am a businessman. They are businessmen. Woman, 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 woman. Businesswoman, 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 businesswomen, women, woman, women. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. 1 man, 2 businessmen. 1 woman, 2 businesswomen. Very nice. Let's try and get a closer look here. So look. Nouns that end in Y then have IES attached to them. So again, make the plural. So we get rid of the Y, remove the Y, and add the IES. Story. I have a storybook. I have a storybook here. Storybook. But look, I have got storybooks all along here. Books of different people's lives, stories of adventures and experiences, biographies. And dictionary. Like, what does this word mean? What does that word mean? Dictionary. Get rid of the Y and add IES. Dictionary, ARY, Y, NARIES. NARY. Dictionaries. Yeah. But then some words really are unique. They're unique. They're one of a kind. They're so weird. It just makes no sense. Children. Child turns into children. So that's the one. That's the plural. See, the thing behind it is these words, some words, originate from all sorts of places in the world in English. Like ombudsman is from Scandinavia. So is berserk. And so those words that are adopted would have a different plural form than what we're used to, like adding S or ES. Like person turns into people, and sheep. Yeah, sheep is unchanged. Sheep, just sheep. And glasses. Glasses. Or species. Species, the kind of animal you are. Species. Yeah. But look. Person turns into people. Some are just weird. There are just weird words. Weird words. That's cool. Weird words. Weird words. Yeah. But look. If it ends in O, we add IES. unless it has two vowels. Even weirder. So echo, echoes, echo, 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 echo. And radio. Look, it ends in IO, but it's still got an O at the end and an S. Radio, radios, radio, radios. We don't add I-O-E-S, I-O-I-E-S. No, just I-O-S. Otherwise, there's too many vowels, I guess. Imagine that. I-O-I-E-S. Wow. Radios. R-A-D-I-O-I-E-S. That's insane, that is. Radioes. Radioes. You don't want that. It's radios. Radios, yeah. And again, some are unchanged. Some just don't change. Species. Species of animal. Species of dog. Species of cat. It's the same species. And sheep. Classic one. Sheep. One sheep, two sheep. Meh. One sheep, two sheep. It never changes. It never changes. How cool is that? Yeah. So that's the basic overview as to how we can create plurals from nouns. Yes. Again, plural means two plus. Plural, two. And singular, singular, like single, being single, unmarried. Singular, single. Yes, and remember, we can have not just physical things for nouns, but concepts and ideas, plans, thoughts, love. Not just physical things like wallet, or watches, or glasses, or hair. Yeah, interesting stuff. However, if you want to keep learning English, expanding your vocabulary, and increasing your confidence, and speaking like a native Englishman, yeah, then hit the subscribe button below and press the bell notification next to it for the latest videos and uploads. Until then, bye for now.